In 2026, Google Ads is brutal for small budgets. If your account isn't structured correctly, you won't just struggle, you will burn through your budget in weeks with nothing to show for it. And the worst part, most business owners have no idea which part of their account is actually killing performance. In this video, I will show you the 5 specific adjustments that turn a tight budget into a controlled, predictable lead machine, and how small accounts can outperform competitors spending twice as much. Before we move into the optimization part, we need to do something very important. A quick reality check. Let me tell how this usually goes. A business owner says, Danny, I've got like 1,000 a month. Let's turn Google Ads. Okay, sounds fine. Then we check their industry and the average CPC is around $20. So we do a quick math. 1,000 divided by 20 gives you 50 clicks per month. That's just over 2 clicks per business day. If the page converts at 10%, that's only 5 leads per month. At 5%, that's 2 or 3. Is that enough? And what if CPC is 100? Now you're getting 10 clicks per month. That's almost nothing. So before you launch, do the math. The budget divided by CPC equals clicks. Clicks multiplied by conversion rate equals leads. But do not run campaigns based on hope. Hope is not a strategy, math is. Okay, let's go to the points on how to run Google Ads on a small budget. Point number 1, track every conversion from day one. Messy accounts, guess. Dominant accounts, measure. When your budget is small, every dollar must be tracked. Define what a real lead is for you. It is calls, form submissions, or booked appointments. Then track them properly inside Google Ads. If you don't know which clicks produce revenue, you cannot dominate. You can just only spend your budget. Once tracking is clean, you can just cut losers fast, double down on winners, and scale only what converts. That's how small budgets beat bigger ones. Number 2, laser focus your location targeting. With a small budget, reach is not your goal, precision is. If you serve, for example, 20-mile radius, don't pay for clicks from 70 miles away. That's budget dilution. Switch your location setting to people in or regularly in your target location. Then tighten your radius to where your real customers are. Small budgets win by excluding the wrong clicks. Less weight, higher intent. Lower cost per lead. 3. Start narrow with high intent keywords. Small budgets cannot afford keywords chaos. Start with 8 to 12 high intent service specific keywords. Not just like 40 random ones. Instead of dentist, use emergency dentist near me. Instead of landscaping, use landscape design company Miami. Specific searches mean higher intent. Higher intent means better conversion rates, and with a small budget, conversion rate is your power. Add negative keywords immediately. Block junk traffic early. Expand only after you have real conversion data. 4. Write ads that pre-qualify and stand out. Generic ads waste money. Specific ads win. If someone searches emergency plumber near me, your headline should say 24/7 emergency plumber at your door in 60 minutes. This is clear promise, clear service, clear intent match. Add qualifiers when needed, like premium remodeling, projects starting at 25K. That filters out low-budget shoppers and protects your ad spend. Then use extensions like call, site links, callouts, structure snippets. Make your ad bigger and harder to ignore. When you can't outspend competitors, you outposition them. Number 5, use a focused landing page and optimize it. You don't need more traffic. You need to convert more of the traffic you already have. If your ad is about dental implants, your landing page should be only about dental implants. One service, one message, one clear call to action. If your conversion rate goes from 5 to 10%, you just doubled your leads without increasing spend. That's domination. Test headlines, test CTA wording, test form placement. Small improvements compound fast. With a small budget, optimization is your growth strategy. If you want to dominate Google Ads with a small budget in 2026, you don't need to spend more. You need to waste less. Track everything. Target with precision. Start narrow. Write sharper ads. Optimize systematically. Small budgets win when structure is tight. Domination doesn't come from budget size. It comes from control. If you'd like help tightening your account and making your budget work harder, you will find my details in the description. Just send me a message and we will book a free strategy call.